Here we have another composite shape like a dollhouse. So let's find the area of all the shapes given here. We can see here, and then by combining all of them we'll find the area of the whole composite shape. Now what kind of shapes can we find here? We can find a triangle here, this the triangle, and then this one is the parallelogram, and two rectangles. So let's start with the rectangle because that's easier for us to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, area of this rectangle, I'm writing it inside so that it will be clear. So the formula is length times width. So it's 7 is the length, centimeter is the length, and the width is 10 centimeter. So 7 times 10, that will be 70 centimeter squares. We are done with the first rectangle. Now let's have a look on this rectangle, which is kind of like the side of the composite shape. Okay, so we have 7 centimeter, but here we don't have the length given. So now we have to have a look on the total length that is given as 14 centimeters. So basically 14 centimeter is all over there from here. And we can see this one is given as 10. So using the, like we know that the parallel sides are equal. So if this is 14, then what should we add in 10? That the whole, this all side will be equal to 14. So definitely it will be 10 minus 4. 14 minus 10, that will become 4 centimeters. So if this side is 4 centimeter, so the parallel side which is opposite to that one will also be 4 centimeter. So we found the missing length. So this one is 4 centimeters. Okay, now let's find the area of this rectangle having the dimension 7 by 4. So again, L times W and 7 times 4, that will give us 28 centimeters square. Okay, now we are left with the two shapes, and those are the parallelogram and the triangle. Let's find the area of the triangle first. We do have the base given here, but we don't know what's the height of the triangle. So we can find out by looking at the whole length, that is 11 centimeter, and this side is 7 centimeter. This one is 7 centimeter. So how much will be this one? We also need this one to find the area of the parallelogram. So it will be 11 minus 7, that will be 4 centimeter. So height of both the parallelogram and the triangle is 4 centimeters. Okay. For the triangle, let's find the area over here. Now, the formula is base times height divided by 2. So the base is 4 and the height is also 4. And it will become 16 divided by 2. That's give us 8 centimeter squares. Now let's have a look on the parallelogram. Parallelogram has the length of width of 10 centimeter and height of 4 centimeter. So for the parallelogram, the formula to find the area is base times height. So the base is 10 centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. So it will become 40 centimeter square. Now let's add 40 centimeter square. Now let's add all of the areas. Total area will be area of